Hello everyone, this is Dae-Hangul, and for today's video, we're not just going to discuss one Korean word. Instead, we're going to discuss top 50 words from Korean dramas. One among the most common motivation of Korean language learners is to understand the language of Korean dramas. So for this video, we're going to discuss 50 common words that I personally heard from Korean dramas I watch. I know there are a lot of common words out there, but this is the top 50 which I personally chose. For the first word, it's Konchana. Konchana. This is used to say it's okay in an informal manner. Again, it's Konchana. Next is Hajima. Hajima. This is used to say don't do that or stop doing that in an informal manner. Again, Hajima. Next word is Odenmania. Odenmania. This is an informal way of saying long time no see. So when you heard a character say Odenmania, he's trying to say long time no see. Next is Shincha. Shincha. This is used to ask really in an informal manner in Korean. Again, it's Shincha. Next word is 대박. Again, it's 대박. This is a Korean slang used to express amazement. So when you hear a character say 대박, that character is amazed. Next is 잘 지냈어. 잘 지냈어. This is used to ask a person, how are you? Or are you fine? In Korean. Again, it's 잘 지냈어. Next is 조심해. 조심해. This is used to say be careful in an informal manner. If you want to remind someone to be careful, you can say 조심해. 조심해. Next is 제발. Again, 제발. This is used to plead or to say please in an informal manner. Again, 제발 is used to say please. Next word is 당연하지. Again, it's 당연하지. This is used to say of course in an informal manner in Korean. So when you hear a character say 당연하지, it means of course. Next is 좋은 아침입니다. 좋은 아침입니다. This is used to say good morning in a formal manner in Korean. Again, it's 좋은 아침입니다. Next is 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. I think almost every one of us already know the meaning of this. This is used to say hello in a formal manner in Korean. Next is 감사합니다. 감사합니다. This is used to say thank you in a formal manner. This is a formal way of saying thank you in Korean. Again, it's 감사합니다. Next word is 미안해. Again, it's 미안해. This is an informal way of saying I'm sorry in Korean. Again, it's 미안해. 미안해. Next word is 보고 싶어요. Again, it's 보고 싶어요. This is used to say I miss you in a standard manner. Again, it's 보고 싶어요. Next is 사랑해. 사랑해. This is used to say I love you in an informal manner. Again, it's 사랑해. 사랑해. Next is 이따 봐. 이따 봐. This is used to say see you later in Korean. And this is said in an informal manner. Again, it's 이따 봐. 이따 봐. Next is 걱정하지 마. 걱정하지 마. This is used to say don't worry in an informal manner. And this could be shortened into 걱정 마. Next is 힘내. 힘내. This is used to say cheer up in an informal manner. So when you want to cheer someone up, you can say 힘내 in Korean. Next is 잘 자요. 잘 자요. This is used to say sleep well in Korean, and this could also be used to say good night. Again, it's 잘 자요. Next is 안녕히 가세요. This is used to say goodbye, go well in a formal manner. So this is used when the person you're talking to is leaving the place and you are staying. Next is 안녕히 계세요. Again, it's 안녕히 계세요. This is used to say goodbye, please stay well. And this is said when you are leaving the place first and the person you're talking to is staying. Next is 아파요. 아파요. This is used to say I feel sick or it hurts in an informal manner. Again, it's 아파요. 아파요. Next is 고마워. 고마워. This is used to say thank you in an informal manner in Korean. Again, it's 고마워. 고마워. Next word is 빨리. 빨리. This is used to say be fast or hurry up in an informal manner in Korean. Again, it's 빨리. 빨리. Next is 학생. This is a basic noun in Korean, and this is used to say student. Again, 학생. 학생. Next is 얼마예요? 얼마예요? This is used to ask how much is it, or if you want to inquire for the price of a certain item. Again, it's 얼마예요. Next is 저기요. 저기요. This is used to say excuse me, or this is used to call the attention of someone. Again, it's 저기요. 저기요. Next is 잠시만요. 잠시만요. This is used to say just a second, or this is used to ask a person to wait for a while. Again, it's 잠시만요. Next word is 반가워요. Again, it's 반가워요. This is a standard way of saying nice to meet you. Again, 반가워요. 반가워요. Next is 여보세요. 여보세요. This is used to say hello when you're answering the telephone. Again, it's 여보세요. 여보세요. Next is 돌아와. 돌아와. This is actually also common to Korean songs. It means come back. Again, 돌아와 means come back. Next is 알았어. Again, 알았어. This is used to say I know or I understand in Korean. Again, 알았어. 알았어. Next is jalga. Jalga. This is used to say go well in Korean. Again, jalga, which means go well. Next is 잘했어. Again, 잘했어. This used to say stay well in Korean. Again, this used to say stay well in Korean. Next is Chingu. Again, Chingu. This is a basic noun in Korean which means friend. Again, Chingu. Next is 그만해. 그만해. This used to say stop or enough. Again, 그만해. 그만해. Next is 그냥. 그냥. When you're asked for a reason for something, you can answer just because or 그냥. 그냥. Next is 혹시. 혹시. This is used to say by any chance in Korean. So when you are asking for a certain chance, you can say 혹시. 혹시. Next is 이렇게. 이렇게. This is used to say like this, or you're trying to describe that a certain action is done like this. 이렇게. Next is 어떻게. 어떻게. This is used to ask how. Again, 어떻게. This is used to say how. We are now at word number 41, which is 고맙다. Again, 고맙다, which means thank you in a standard manner. Again, 고맙다. Next is Aniyo. Aniyo. This is a simple way of saying no in Korean. Again, Aniyo means no. Next is 왜. Again, 왜. This is used to ask why in an informal manner. Again, 왜. 왜. Next is 뭐. 뭐. This is used to ask what in an informal manner. Again, 뭐. 뭐. Next is 가지마. 가지마. This is used to say don't go in an informal manner in Korean. Again, 가지마, which means don't go. Next is 좋아해. 좋아해. This is used to say I like you in an informal manner in Korean. Again, 좋아해. 좋아해. Next is 배고파. 배고파. This is used to say I'm hungry in an informal manner. Again, 배고파. 배고파. Next is 왜 그래? 왜 그래? This is used to ask what's wrong in Korean. Again, 왜 그래? 왜 그래? Second to the last word is 예쁘다. 예쁘다. This is used to say pretty in Korean. So when you're describing something as pretty, you can use 예쁘다. 예쁘다. And the last word for our 50 common words is 먹자, which means let's eat. So you can call someone else to eat and you can say 먹자. And that concludes our top 50 words from Korean dramas. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Bye!